The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go. Esther always gave the truth. What did your sister give to you? I have gave you the truth. Why didn't you give that before? She gave to swim when it is hot. It looks gap a storm is coming. My teacher is very gap. The caterpillar turned gap a butterfly. Will you please take gap the trash? When I was a child, I gap to climb trees. To start gap, we have comedy. I am lucky. Gap. I gap much better. If you freeze water, it gap solid. We gap don't eat yet. Everybody gap to do it. Gap got it. I need to spend gap money on stupid things. This is gap. How many gap has the earth? Congratulations. What is your score? Comment below. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.